Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question, x power square root of x equal to square root of x power x. So we have to solve this equation for the value of x. So let's start the solution of this equation. So we can write this equation as x power square root of x, which is equal to x power x all power 1 divided by 2, because this square root is equal to power 1 divided by 2. And now, according to power of power rule, we can multiply this x with this one. So overall this will become x divided by 2, power x divided by 2, and all the remaining term will remain as such. So overall this equation will become x power square root of x, which is equal to x power of x divided by 2. Now if we look over here, we have same basis on both sides of the equation, that is x equal to x. So we can compare then the power or exponent of the equation. So let's compare the exponent or power of the equation, which will become uh, square root of x equal to x divided by 2. And now we will take square on both sides. So after taking square on both sides, this square will cancel this square root. So this will become x, and this will become x squared divided by 4. And now we will multiply this 4 with this x. So overall the equation will become 4x equal to x squared. And now we will send this 4x on this side of the equation. So overall our equation will become x squared minus 4x equal to 0, like this. And now we will take x common from these two terms, because these two terms have x as common. So after taking x common, so this will become x minus 4, which is equal to 0. And now we will compare these two values with x equal to 0. So it will become x equal to 0 and x minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 and x minus 4 equal to 0. So again we will send this minus 4 on the other side of the equation, so it will become 4. So overall this will become x equal to 4 and x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So these are the solution of the given equation. But after deciding the final value, real roots of the equation, first we will verify these two values. So let's verify these value one by one. So let's verify when x equal to 0. So we will verify this the given equation when x equal to 0. So this was our equation which was given in the start. This is our question. We will put 0 over here in place of x. So let's put it. So 0 power square root of 0, which is equal to square root of 0 power 0. And this will become 0 power 0, and this will also become 0 power 0. Please remember this. 0 power 0 is indeterminate form, so it means that x is equal to 0 is not the solution, because this is indeterminate form. And therefore at x equal to 0 it becomes indeterminate. Therefore this is not the solution, that is x is equal to 0 is not the real root of this given question. Please remember one thing more, that some people consider this 0 power 0 equal to 1. So if you think about this theory, which in which 0 power 0 is equal to 1, then this will become 1 and this will also become 1. So according to that theory, then it satisfies the condition. But according to algebra, it is strictly said that 0 power 0 is an indeterminate form. So if we are talking about algebra, so this 0 power 0 and this 0 power 0, that is a indeterminate form, and this is x equal to 0 is not the real solution of this equation. So I told you about the two theories. Now it's up to you what theory you consider. So let's now check this equation for x equal to 4. So we will put x equal to 4 in the given equation. So let's put x equal to 4 in the given equation. So this will become 4 power square root of 4 and square root of 4 power 4. So this power square root of 4 will become 2, because the square root of 4 equal to 2. So 4 power 2, and this 4 when multiplied 4 times equal to 256, and the square root of 256 equal to 16, and similarly 4 times 4 are 4 squared equal to 16. So 16 equal to 16. It means that at x equal to 4, this satisfies the condition for this question. So it means that x equal to 4 is the real solution of this question. So x equal to 4 is the solution, that is the real solution of this question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Moreover, if you have any kind of question, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.